Hey everybody, this is Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. This is Heart and Hand Creations and Events, and today I am going to show you the end result of the door wreaths that I made. Um, I wound up, as you see in the last video, they didn't have the blue flowers in the store that I wanted to pick up, so I went to another store. Um, the vlog didn't go right. Battery that wound up dying. So then I got home. I had a camera all set up. And that didn't turn out right either because the camera that I used was my son-in-law's setup. And somehow the picture was too dark. And there was a good video too of me actually putting this wreath together. So I'm just going to show you the end product. And I'm sorry I couldn't go through the rest of it with you, but this is how it turned out. Here we are. Try to get a close-up to see the details. Yeah, I was disappointed. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Can't see the little bird too good. Blue bird of happiness. Anyway, that's the shades of blue. Summery door wreath. And over here is the second one. Let me put it up somewhere else. Got a lot of stuff in this little room. Okay. There we are. And the color in this room sucks. The walls in here are gold. So the light comes on and it makes everything looks gold. You really can't see the really true colors of the wreath, but believe me, it's shades of blue. Okay guys, well that's it. I just wanted to show you how the wreaths turned out, and I believe they turned out fairly well. I hope that the person that's ordered them will be happy with them, and I'll see you guys on the next project. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh, that thumbs up is the like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I do the next video, you'll get a notification. Also, like, and not like, but share and comment. All unedited, guys. I'm an amateur, I know, but eventually I should get better. All right, guys. Bye-bye.